Basically, this is just to set up in a minute and a half. I'm showing it to you set up. I'm not setting it up. I don't have my equipment with me. Did I plan on doing it? No, I didn't. Check out Cold Cracker, Corporal's Corner. But this is one of the best setups that I like. It's Cold Cracker's favorite. I think it's my favorite too. It's quick, minute and a half. You prep your tarp. You can do it, no problem. So that's why we're doing this. Just checking things. This equipment here will be put in a different pack. I'll put it back in the pack that's there now, but I'll put it in a different pack. And basically it's for the hammock and a few extra things. The stove is pretty heavy. It's a you'll see a name in the description, but it protects the fire from the wind. But it's a good stove. I've used it many times on the ocean with the wind blowing in the winter. It's really good. But and I got a couple Esbits coming too in the mail. I must have 8 of them, but and I give some to my sons. But I have a couple more coming. I have some more bank line coming, 36, and yeah. But is that the soap? No, it's not the solar stove. But I'll put an Esbit in here also, because Esbit, you can burn anything in there. Wood, alcohol cubes, pellets, and I modify them too. So Squint the Eskimo is just a little, actually came out kind of long, but just to give you some ideas. Minute and a half, you can set this up. If you want to modify this, that hammock in there, paid 15 bucks for it at Aldi's. It comes with straps and everything else. Do they work? Yes, they work. I have 6 hammocks. 4 from them and 2 from Better Company. And I have, special tarps. This tarp could work in a pinch. The hammock is 9 by 5. Again, the center is 9 right here. But the hammock will dip a little bit. So in a pinch, it'll work. Carry all the stuff. I'm off the ground. Look, ground sheet right here too. Plus I got that. So, but this is just a little leftover stuff. Again, I have 10 little packs, 4 big ones and smaller ones. And but the main thing I wanted to show you. Now I'm all out of 36 bank line. This is number 12. Have it on every end here. And you'll see in Coke Rec he has 10 double on each side. This is 17 feet over here approximately. I still have to finish out tying another one. Instead, you can set up a lean-to with this also. I like the plow point, best protection. It's real quick. It's fine. Then you can modify this into anything you want. So, but yeah. Now, do you need to set up in a minute and a half? I don't hear no daggone whistles. Hell no. But yeah, sometimes you do. One time I was watching say, oh, you got to set up 5 minutes, do this and that. You got to do this, that. And I said, wait a minute, I ain't going to do that crap. Do I do that crap? And then I sat back. I said, wait, I do this all the time. I muzzleload and hunt. And I want my powder dry, man. The rain comes, and if you notice this thing right here, let me show you right here. This here is like when you're hunting in your tree stand, raise your stuff up. Well, that's what's hooked on here, because I had that with it. That when I go hunting, I always have that with me, and I use it to set up my shelter real quick too, because I always carry a poncho. It rains, I set up real quick. But then in the end, I have a bow line. If you want to set up a quick ridge line, you could too, but with little toggles in there. But that's another video. This is a minute and a half thing here. I'm at my son's house doing construction, so I'm keeping an eye on things. You can see that I am. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. So you set this up, minute and a half. You could do it in a minute. And I'm getting all my packs. When I have a little tarp in there or a poncho, have all the ties ready so I can set it up in a minute and a half. Then you have your 5-minute jobs too. But you can, once you get it set up, you can modify it, do what you want. This you have a quick shelter, you're good. Is there extra stuff here? You can have all this stuff when you're with your little pack, quick lunch out there. Probably not, but there's not a lot of stuff I could. And I got my little Mora knife there. In fact, I just pickled it a little bit. I think it's a companion. I got like four knives. Little beer bottle there. I have to get some more canteens. I have some, but in a pinch, little beer bottle, and you can hang it over the fire. I got some little billy pots. There's a cap for that too. But yeah, quick and dirty. You know, you don't have to tear it apart. You don't have this. You don't have that. Come on, this is just random stuff just thrown together. I got old stuff. Help a God. I will survive out. I've been in some bad situations, and I pushed myself. Is it all on film? No. But this nice little tarp. Picked it up at a tag sale. Waterproofed it. I think it was waterproof anyways, but I didn't anyways. But yeah, it's fine, man. Cool. So, Quinn the Eskimo, I'll show you some pictures of some of the ponchos. I'm just going through everything in my pack to make it deployable. All right. I do have to put some cordage on the other end. I may put it on that end over there because I like the plow point, and this has a hammock with it with this particular kit. If I'm going to set up a hammock off the ground, if I want, I'll do that. If not, I'll just untie it. You just do right on the end here. Right on the end there, you just do one little tie. That's it. And so, you know, you got either double 10 or double 8 or whatever you want, 8.5, whatever. And you could extend this out, this cord, you know, 17 feet if you want, you know. But and I'll put one on the other end. But I'm going to leave it on that end instead of just like a lean-to, only because I have a hammock with this particular kit. So. Minute and a half, you can set this up. No whistles, please. No one's going to be breaking your stones. Just go online, check these people out, check it out, look at, and if you want to look at different tarp configurations, TA has a nice one. So over in the UK there. So there's other people too. But you check it out, you take care, and have a good day, man.